Hey guys, back with another video. Today we are playing camping. Let's go into this one. Actually, no. Yeah, I'll go with this one. Is there any YouTubers in here? Nope. No YouTubers. I'm the only one. I'm the only YouTuber here. Okay. So, let's... Oh, we're all gonna be sleeping in these beds. Yep. So, I just need to say, I'm not gonna finish the whole thing. I'm following you. We're good. Why did you come to the mirror? This is the bathroom? Yes. This is the bathroom, I can see. The mirror is kind of dirty. Yes. I need to use the bathroom. What happened? So, yeah. A hotel. There's a hotel. I'm gonna go to see the hotel. There's a hotel. Oh. Okay, guys, I just feel like I want this video to be short, so I might just end it here, so. Bye, guys. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.